Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2013 Chevy Malibu 2LT. This vehicle has 124,198 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black, half cloth, half leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.